Blue hole. A blue hole is a type of underwater sinkhole that is characterized by its deep blue color. These underwater sinkholes are formed when a cave or a cavern collapses, leaving a circular or oval-shaped depression in the ocean floor. Blue holes are often found in shallow, clear, and warm tropical waters, such as the Caribbean Sea and the Bahamas. They are also found in other parts of the world, including Australia and the Red Sea. The blue color of the water in a blue hole is due to the depth of the sinkhole and the lack of sunlight penetrating the water at that depth. The deeper the hole, the darker the blue color of the water. Some blue holes can be as deep as 400 feet or more, making them popular destinations for scuba divers and researchers. Blue holes are also important natural habitats for a variety of marine life, including fish, sharks, and crustaceans. They are also important sites for studying climate change and sea level rise, as the sediment layers in the blue holes can provide valuable information about past sea levels and climate conditions. Formation. Blue holes are formed when the roof of an underground cave or cavern collapses, leaving behind a circular or oval-shaped hole in the ocean floor. The process of blue hole formation usually begins on land, where rainwater and surface water dissolve limestone, dolomite, or other soluble rock formations, creating underground caves and caverns. Over time, these caves can become filled with water, either through natural springs or by flooding. When the roof of the cave becomes too weak to support the weight of the overlying sediment or rock, it collapses, creating a sinkhole or blue hole. The water in the blue hole is usually very clear and deep, and often has a blue color, due to the depth and lack of sunlight. The process of blue hole formation can take thousands of years, and it often happens in areas with karst topography, which is characterized by underground caves and sinkholes. Blue holes can be found in various parts of the world, including the Bahamas, Belize, Australia, and the Red Sea. Carbonate. Carbonate is a mineral or compound that is made up of carbon and oxygen, and can also include other elements, such as calcium, magnesium, and iron. Carbonate minerals are some of the most common minerals found on Earth, and they play an important role in a wide range of geological processes, such as the formation of rocks, the cycling of carbon in the Earth's crust, and the regulation of the Earth's climate. One of the most well-known carbonate minerals is calcium carbonate, which is found in limestone, chalk, and marble. Calcium carbonate is also a major component of seashells, coral reefs, and the shells of marine organisms. Carbonate minerals can be formed through a variety of processes, including precipitation from water, biological processes, and metamorphism. They are also important sources of carbon dioxide, which is a greenhouse gas that plays a significant role in global climate change. Dragon hole. The Dragon Hole, also known as the Longdong or the South China Sea Dragon Hole, is a large underwater sinkhole located in the South China Sea, off the coast of Paracel Islands. It is considered the deepest known underwater sinkhole, with a depth of approximately 987 feet, 300 meters. The Dragon Hole was discovered in 2016 by a team of Chinese researchers who conducted an exploration mission in the area. The researchers used a remotely operated underwater vehicle to survey the sinkhole and collect samples of the water and sediment at the bottom of the hole. The Dragon Hole is believed to have formed during the last ice age, when sea levels were much lower than they are today. As the sea level rose, the sinkhole was filled with water, creating a unique marine environment. The sinkhole is home to a variety of deep-sea creatures, including coral, fish, and crustaceans, and it is considered an important site for scientific research. Despite its remote location and depth, the Dragon Hole has attracted attention from scientists, researchers, and tourists. However, due to its extreme depth, diving in the sinkhole is considered dangerous and requires specialized equipment and training.